In 2022, floods across Nigeria killed over 600 people and displaced 1.4 million. Homes destroyed, farms wiped out, lives lost. And the worst part, most of those people had no warning. The water came and they weren't ready. Nigeria experiences devastating floods every single year. Lagos, Kogi, Bayelsa, Niger State, millions of people live in flood-prone areas. Yet there is no accessible early warning systems that reach them in time. That's the problem Flood Alert solves. Flood Alert uses artificial intelligence to predict floods up to 48 hours before they happen. We combine data from multiple sources: weather forecasts, river level sensors, historical flood patterns, and real-time community reports. And our AI analyzes it all to calculate flood risks for every zone. Here is what that looks like in practice. When you open the app, you see your current risk level: low, medium, high, or critical. A color-coded map shows you exactly which areas are at risk and which are safe. Tap any zone and you will get the details: why the risk is high, what factors are contributing, and when flooding is expected. But the real power is in the alerts. When our system detects imminent danger, we send SMS warning directly to people in affected areas 48 hours ahead of time. That's enough time to evacuate, enough time to move belongings to higher ground, enough time to save lives. And because communities know their areas best, anyone can submit a flood report with photos and water levels. This real-time data makes our prediction even more accurate. Flood Alert gives people what they have never had before: time. Time to prepare, time to act, and time to survive.